Welcome to this guided meditation, specifically crafted to help you cultivate self-compassion and balance in your life, thus allowing you to overcome the overambitious vibe killer. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. Give yourself permission to fully relax and be present in this moment, letting go of any worries or concerns. As you settle into your position, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the cool air filling your lungs. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Continue this pattern of deep, calming breaths, paying attention to the natural rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. With each inhale, imagine that you're drawing in peace and tranquility, while with each exhale, you're releasing stress and tension. Allow the soothing rhythm of your breath to guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply, gently shift your awareness to your body. Starting at the top of your head, focus on releasing any tension or stress that you may be holding in your muscles. Visualize a warm, healing light traveling down from your head, through your neck and shoulders, relaxing the muscles as it goes. Let this healing light continue to flow down your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Feel the tension melting away as your arms become more and more relaxed. Next, allow the light to travel down your spine, releasing any tightness in your back muscles and allowing them to become loose and comfortable. Now, direct the healing light to your chest and abdomen, feeling any knots of stress or tension dissolving as the light permeates these areas. Continue guiding the light down through your hips, thighs, and knees, allowing your legs to relax and feel supported. Finally, let the warm, healing light reach your calves, ankles, and feet. Feel any remaining tension or discomfort being released as your entire body becomes completely relaxed and at ease. Allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation with each exhale, feeling more grounded and peaceful as you let go of any physical or mental tension. Enjoy this sensation of deep relaxation and connection with your inner self, knowing that you are taking the first step toward cultivating self-compassion and balance in your life. Now, visualize yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, lush forest. The sun is shining gently through the canopy, casting dappled light onto the forest floor. You can hear the sound of leaves rustling in the breeze and the gentle chirping of birds as they sing their melodies. This forest represents your journey to overcome the overambitious vibe killer. As you take a step into the forest, you notice the soft, mossy ground beneath your feet, providing a cushioned path for your journey. With each step, you feel more connected to the earth and the wisdom of nature. As you walk, take some time to reflect on your accomplishments and acknowledge the hard work you've put in throughout your life. Appreciate the dedication and determination that has brought you to where you are now. As you continue walking deeper into the forest, you find yourself contemplating the goals you have set for yourself. Ask yourself if they are focused solely on achievements, success, and performance. Pause for a moment, surrounded by the serenity of the forest, and consider the possibility of setting goals that also prioritize personal growth, enjoyment, and balance in your life. By doing so, you open yourself up to a more holistic and sustainable path towards happiness, nurtured by the diverse experiences that life has to offer. As you walk further into the forest, you come across a small, serene pond, its surface smooth like glass. The water is crystal clear, and you can see the reflection of the sky, trees, and yourself gazing into it. This reflection represents your self-image, including the overambitious vibe killer aspect that has influenced your life. As you observe the reflection, acknowledge this part of yourself with kindness and compassion. Understand that it may have once served a purpose in your life, helping you strive for success and push beyond your limits. However, it is time to let go of this part of your identity and embrace a more balanced and compassionate approach to your goals and achievements. As you stand at the edge of the pond, take a moment to send gratitude and love to the overambitious vibe killer aspect of yourself. Acknowledge the lessons it has taught you and the growth you have experienced because of it. Then, imagine that aspect dissolving into the pond, making space for a more balanced and compassionate self-image to emerge. Feel a sense of relief and freedom as you release this old pattern and embrace a new, healthier approach to success and happiness. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air and positive energy. As you exhale, imagine that the overambitious vibe killer is dissolving into the surrounding air, making space within you for a more balanced and compassionate approach to success. Feel a sense of release and relief as you let go of this self-imposed pressure that has weighed you down. As you continue your journey through daily life, make it a priority to practice self-compassion and remind yourself of the importance of rest and relaxation. Recognize that taking breaks and recharging your energy reserves are essential to prevent burnout and maintain your overall well-being. By giving yourself permission to rest, you are creating a healthier and more sustainable foundation for success and happiness. Cultivate a more balanced perspective by setting goals that not only focus on achievements, but also prioritize personal growth, enjoyment, and connection with others. This holistic approach will enable you to form deeper, more meaningful relationships and experiences, fostering a healthier and more fulfilling path towards happiness and success. In your day-to-day life, be mindful of moments when you might be slipping back into the overambitious vibe killer mindset. Whenever you notice yourself falling into this pattern, pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and remind yourself of the importance of balance, self-compassion, and connection. Use these moments as opportunities to reassess your priorities and align your actions with your values, ensuring that you are nurturing not only your achievements, but also your overall well-being. Trust that by consistently nurturing these qualities of balance and self-compassion, you will not only achieve success, but also create a life filled with contentment, joy, and inner peace. Remember that happiness is not solely found in accomplishments, but also in the journey, the connections we make, and the personal growth we experience along the way. By integrating this balanced approach into your life, you will be better equipped to navigate challenges, celebrate successes, and enjoy a more meaningful and fulfilling life, both personally and professionally. Embrace this journey with an open heart and trust in your ability to grow and thrive.